Oh, look at that, dude. It's stuck in there. Crazy, it's done. Holy Jesus. It is done. Woo. Alright, Micro Dude here again with my Redcat Volcano and Tornado, ready to tear it up at some local park here. I got my Bandito street tires back on here again because I stripped out my 17-tooth pinion when I had the Bigfoot Mama monster tires. So now I'm down to my 27-tooth pinion that only runs the smaller regular size tires. So got my Banditos ready to rip it up. Let's go! Mine barely runs on grass. You see that, dude? For now. That thing rips, dude. So I can make it through here. Oh! Jump it. Good jump. All right, so I lost control here and I almost lost my car into the pool. Look at that. Oh, look at that, dude. It's stuck in there. Crazy, it's done. Holy Jesus. It is done. Woo. Wow. Really, it still wants to go now. That's odd though. I wonder if I lost control because of that metal railing, but I had no steering control or anything, dude. That was wild. Complete wildness. Look. Look. No, it went by itself.
I told you guys go over there.
I lost total control.
How did you break it that bad?
I lost total control. I even cracked my canopy.
Can you fix it?
Yeah, I can fix it. Jeez, look at that. Oh, did I crack this too? I cracked this too. Shit, I'll have to bend all that and put it back in place.